Okay fans, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jerome Kids Music. So today we'll be doing this tutorial on F sharp, okay? And I'm on F sharp. So I'll be calling out the notes. For those of you that are not familiar with F sharp, you can be able to apply it to your own key, okay? So we'll be doing Highlife today. So I will be doing lead and bass line breakdown. So the progression I'm on is Do, Fa, Sol, Do, Fa, Sol, Do. Okay, that is the progression I'm using today. So first thing I was playing is that. Okay, so what I'm doing is just very simple. So once I'm on my do, I play with my mi so do. Okay, see the way I strike my high octave do. Okay, so this chord I'm playing, you see, it's mi so ta, mi so ta. So I strike the chord after my mi so do, mi so ta, mi so do, mi so ta, fa. Okay, mi so do, mi so ta, fa. I use my fa la here. So after my then I do my fa la re here. After my ta, fa la re, then re so ti. Then I strike my so ti. Okay, it's like I'm too fast. Let me just take it gradually so you can be able to understand. Okay, so I take. Okay, that's just what I was playing there first. So what I did there, so mi, fa, re, mi, do, mi, so, ta. Okay. So this is do, ti, ta. So you go. So what I'm playing on my left also is just like this. So what I do do la fa, do do la, do do la. Do do la mi la re re re, re so do do do. Okay, do do la mi la re 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 so do do do. Okay, that's like that. So you go do do la mi la re 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 so do do do. Okay, so that's what I'm playing on my bass. So I can be changing. I can even go to something like this. So you can see simple bass. You can also use do, so, do, so, re, so, re, so, do, so, do, so, re, so. Okay? So this is all simple. So, do, so, do, so. So this one, do me so is so re. So I hope you have learned something today. Please help me share, like, and comment. Also, comment the song you want me to do a breakdown on, okay? So this is the first time I just said I should teach you guys today. God bless you all for subscribing and liking. See you on my next video.